The jumping pull-up is a beginner modification to the regular pull-up. This will help you build up the required back strength to complete a full pull-up. To get started, place your feet directly underneath the pull-up bar. This will allow you to jump straight up and down. To make the jumping pull-up more challenging, jump up from the ground to grip the pull-up bar, or to make it easier, stand on a secure box or step so you can continuously hold on to the pull-up bar. To begin the movement, squat down and jump up to grip the pull-up bar with an overhand grip. Use the momentum from the jump to assist your back muscles to pulling your chin over the bar. Focus on keeping your entire body tight as you raise your body. Once your chin is over the bar, try to control the lowering of the body by extending your arms, then releasing the bar. If you're standing on top of the box or step, you do not need to release the bar. Repeat for reps. Subscribe for more Live Lean TV daily exercises.